PlanSwift nerd. Well, we've got another one for all you PlanSwift nerds out there. Hey, I learned this from another PlanSwift nerd, and I want to thank him for this. I had noticed this on one of his designs that he was sharing with me, and I stole it. That's about it. I stole it, just like everybody kind of steals everybody else's ideas. So, anyways, I don't think he'd have a problem with this, but this is about and for people that don't want to use databases. There are built around options or built-in options that you can use. I have a friend in Canada who has decided that he will never use a database and has this incredible amount of information in his job properties so that he could update prices. I honestly think he has probably 200 prices in his job property that he refers back to from a part, which is, I mean, it's impressive. But at some point, you guys are going to have to give in and use a Microsoft Access database table.
Mr. Pig, what are you?
I'm a naughty little pig, and I need to be punished. Naughty pig. Oh, I'm a naughty pig. Punish me. Oh, piggy. Oh, harder. Harder. Oh, I'm such a naughty little pig.
And the reason I say that, look at this. I mean, look at this. These are my database tables for all the pricing, which can be updated at any time. For all the prices for, I think there's about 200,000 parts here. I mean, you want to know what a flow sensor costs, a baseline, there it is. You know, those type of things. You want to know what the galvanized nipples cost, there they are. You know, so if you haven't notice, I am a big fan of Microsoft Access database tables, and I have videos on how to use them, how to link them, how to update them, how to make them dance or I don't know, do the skinny hoobie. I don't care. So what I've done or stole, and I'll share it with you guys so you can steal it from me, is you can have a built-in database, not a real deep one, within any part. Okay, I have this one built into the Takeoff property. All right, so if I double click on this and open it up, you can see I have kind of a choice of whatever. Now that's nothing major. Everybody knows how to make a list. Yeah. This is different. Okay, this is these sizes here have a specific price tied to them. So if I use 2-inch or 2, it's going to give me a certain price. If I use 4, it's going to give me another price. And if I use 6, it's another price beyond that. So what that looks like in the advanced, okay, are you ready for this? I don't know if we want to do a drum roll or not. It's pretty simple, pretty cool. I wouldn't overuse it, but for you guys that don't like databases, shame on you, but well, here we go. Okay. So here I have my price or my prices or whatever, my dollar amounts if I want for 2-inch pipe, and I can name them anything I want. I'd use 246 just because I want to be nice and silly. So, but then I have the cost of material, and right here I have this double bracket property with a double bracket to close it out. And what that says is if I choose a 2, or let's say I choose a 6, then 7 is going to, that price for the 6 is going to carry into my result column for the cost of material. If I choose to use a 4, then this 5 will populate. So let's say I want to change 6 to $22. Okay, there it is. We're done. Okay, but now if I go over here and I choose 6 in my drop down, it's going to change my cost of material to, well, son of a gun, why didn't it do it? Oh, I know why, because I have this in there. I have to shame myself. Okay, let's try it again. So let's go up here, choose 6, and there's my price, a cost of material of $22. So it's a pretty simple deal. You have to have the items that you want. You can have as many as you want, and then you have to have a part that relates exactly to them, okay? and then you can put in your material price or labor rates or whatever it is you want to use. You can do that. And then what you do is you want to create a landing spot or conversion, I don't know what you'll call it, so that when you choose this, it's going to use that double bracket to pull that information, and then you can take it to, let's say, cost each if I wanted to. Okay, I don't want to put a cost of material. Anyway, so that's how you kind of bypass a database for a simple choice, okay? It's a really cool thing. You guys have to thank Mike up in somewhere in the Cape Cod region for that. Tell him thank you. We stole it. Anyways, I hope this helps you. It's a kind of a simple little deal for PlanSwift nerds. Gives you some good options. And with that said, hey, thanks for watching. If you need to get hold of me, I do have a calendar. I have an email down somewhere on the video. You guys will figure it out. Get hold of me, okay? Talk to you later. Thanks.